Hello and welcome to this webinar. SAPNA here, founder of HapGen Education, and thanks for taking out the time to watch this training video that will explain how you can help your child build concentration without the expensive tuition or learning app or your sacrifices. I've spent a lot of time and money developing this training for your child. Why? Because of three simple reasons. But before I get into those reasons, here is something very important. Please make sure to watch this training video till the end, because my goal is to help you get results with this training and ensure your child knows how to build concentration. And the only way I can do that is if you watch this training video till the end. Since the time I released the training video, the results have been literally unbelievable. For example, Ishan, one of my students, is scoring 90 plus in exams after taking the program. And in fact, these are the same strategies that I used to guide my own teenage daughter from being unfocused to scoring 90 plus in her exam. Here is the proof. The model goes something like this: build, discover, and ace your skills. So as I said before, I made this training video for three reasons. The reason number one is the urgent requirement to change your child's mindset is now. Since pandemic, there has been a drop in the pass percentages, and that has led to the stress level being really high. So this is the right time where the most important ingredient of success has been missing. That has led to the alarming drop in the pass percentages, and the academic stress has been increasing alarmingly very high. So this is the right time right now to work on the child's mindset. Reason number two, any student can get remarkable results. Here is what one needs. This is the human brain that keeps on thinking a lot of things at the same time instead of focusing on something very important. That is what is needed if the focus grows to reach the life goals. Why I'm telling to change the mindset? Because some children feel looking smart is more important, while others think it is much more important to learn things in the classes than just to get grades. Children having fixed mindset, they tend to have a helpless response to failure or struggling with something. They don't immediately get it. They give up because they see setbacks as evidence. They don't have what it takes. Children having the growth mindset are more likely to work harder in response to a failure. What I want to tell you exactly is, when your child is facing challenges of failure, if he or she is having a growth mindset, he or she will increase the effort and achieve higher in the life, and the process will follow on to you. But if your child is having a fixed mindset, he or she will decrease the effort and always get the lower achievement, and the process will follow always the same. Growth mindset is the most important ingredient of success. Why? Because it results in losing fear of mistakes, positive thinking enhances, self-regulation starts, lifelong love of learning increases, risk tolerance enhances, career success gets improved. The reason number three is your child has the ability to get consistent success in academics and career. I am sure you must have enrolled your child to an expensive tuition center or learning app, yet your child has been getting average results. Why? Because various ads about tuition centers made you believe that is the only solution for your child's better success. But the problem is none of those services work for your child, because all tuition centers, learning apps will become helpful only after your child's mind is given the potential to benefit from them. Once your child has the ability to learn, all above expenses will become unnecessary. So have you ever thought of, if all students get the same tuition, then why all do not get the similar results? The difference is the mindset. Have you ever thought of what is the use of expensive tuition if your child is least motivated to study? What is the use of learning app if your child cannot concentrate? Enrolling your child in an expensive tuition centers or learning apps without the mindset shift is like making him or her sit on an airplane without the wings, and that airplane will never fly and hence won't get anywhere. So what you need to do is first to attach the wings. Your child already have a great potential, but they need your help in unleashing that potential. You must always try to think what can turn your child into a champion. What can motivate your child to try hard in your? He or she just need to apply the BDA model. That is, build growth mindset, discover skill gaps, and ace skills. So those are the three reasons why I created this training video, and why your child should build growth mindset, even if your child doesn't feel the need for it yet. Now I'm going to share a very important formula to build the concentration. Concentration is one of the vital skills to be successful in life, and the formula is concentration is equal to BP times NSE whole square, where BP stands for best practices, NSE stands for natural ability to concentrate. Here is one of the best practices, champion secret. Secret number 1, set a precise hour for study and respect it. It is essential that you create one very good habit like to study at the same time every day. It will accustom your brain to be focused and concentrated on your study. Note that moment you choose to study every day, like every day I will study from this hour to this hour. Respect this moment you choose and don't change this moment every week. Secret number 2, make the most of your study period. Once you set precisely your study periods with the tools just above, you will now want to be as efficient as possible during that moment. To do this, just determine what knowledge you want to acquire by this work and how much time do you have in order to do this work. Secret number 3, take regular breaks. Tiredness is the cause of inattention and can happen to everyone, even to people who have a good attention in general. If you feel tired, you won't be able to concentrate. So take a break that lasts for 4 to 5 minutes, and this should be taken every 45 minutes. Now I will share natural ability to concentrate. It will progressively train your mind to concentrate and will widely contribute to improve your memory in all the fields. The technique consists of several series of small exercises to practice frequently. Just be mindful that you do not start the next series of exercises before you completely master the previous one. So here is exercise number 1, that is, you have to keep your eyes closed, imagine a row of trees on each side of the road and follow with your eyes these 2 rows. Starting from the trees closest to you up to the farthest, when 2 rows seem to merge into a single point at infinity. I have shared a lot of information about the urgent requirement to change your child's mindset and how to build concentration. You have 2 options. Option number 1, you spend 2 hours daily, probably 15 hours weekly, learn the skills, become an expert yourself, and then start guiding to your child. But this will require spending 1,000 plus hours of your life. And number 2 is help your child learn through the proven system from a certified expert who is having more than a decade of experience, who has not only coached 300 plus students globally, but also help the students to succeed consistently and is the best in the world at it. The program consists of 3 phases. Phase 1 is the foundation stage that will be covered up in week 1. There I would explain about the fixed mindset and growth mindset. I will help the child to identify the mindset and I will explain the roadblocks to the growth mindset. Then the phase 2, that will be covered up in the week 2nd and the 3rd, shifting mindset from fixed to growth through the proven tools, discovering the skill gaps, and in the phase 3, that would be covered up in the week 4 to the 12th week. Action would be happening. I would ensure that the growth mindset development has taken place. The child would learn vital skills for success that will help him over to set goals, plan, manage, act, become risk taker and resilient when dealt with failure, and he or she will be able to turn life problems into opportunities. The 12 weeks intensive coaching program where your child will build growth mindset and develop vital skills for peak performance with all the proven tools. You will be enrolled in a private community to share your child's success and challenges. You will be getting a personalized support daily from certified and trusted coach to solve problems and get proper guidance. And the program name is Skillacy. This program is designed to help your child behave as champions, and you will not find this program anywhere else. The goal of this accelerated program is to help my students achieve success without any stress or sacrifices by their parents. And your child can do the same by simply following the VDA model. I wouldn't even recommend your child to attend any business center without enrolling in this program. You will just end up wasting your time, energy, and money and wondering why you aren't getting successful results with your child. Look, at Skillacy, your child will have a huge advantage over anyone else. Why? Because I will help your child build the vital skills at a deeper root level that is mine. I want to give all the parents watching this video access to my exclusive accelerator program that is Skillacy. I have set aside a few time slots this week to speak to parents who are truly committed to be a part of their child's success journey. The cost of this call is absolutely free. Just visit skillacy.hapgeneducation.com/apply. But you have to be mindful that there are over 150 students currently on this program, and my schedule can only handle 9 calls for the next 6 days. So you must apply now. Now, who is this program for? The program is for the parents who have the professional commitments and hence they get lesser time to involve in their child's career. Parents worried about their child's post-study processes, parents who want to, their child to be self-dependent, and the parents who are looking to make their child future ready. So here is what parents and students say about Skillacy program. Pooja Sharma, she is the parent of Pranav Sharma. She said, I highly recommend this coaching for especially the students who are not self-motivated and need encouragement and guidance for their preparation. Shivani Goyal from India says, as a coach, Sapna ma'am has given never-ending support and guidance. She's a true gift as a mentor and also supporter. Thank you, ma'am, for the excellent advice and coaching us. Soumya Jha from Singapore said, if you want to succeed in your attempts, then Skillacy has a way to do it. It will help you a lot. Now you have two parts. Part number one, where you are filled with guilt of lesser available time. You are worried for your child's future. You have no idea of what would work, and you lack an expert mentor. And the part number two is where your child becomes goal-oriented, develop the growth mindset, becomes self-dependent child, it becomes future-ready, and you become the contented parent. So what you have to do is to visit skillacy.hapgeneducation.com/apply. Just be mindful that there are over 150 students currently on this program, and my schedule can only handle 9 calls over the next 6 days. So you must apply now.